son's Nintendo case he doesn't use anymore, and they fit quite nicely into this, so they're going to live in there. Also got this Chubb London, and it has got 369 on the back. I haven't even looked this up if it's Chubb 369 is the actual model of it, or because it looks like a battleship. Chubb Battleship. Chubb Battleship's just got the Chubb on the top, doesn't have Chubb London. Now whether this is an older model, I'm not sure. Okay, see, it works with the key. Definitely locks. There's the key there. The high-low levers. You can see it's 5 levers, cast iron. Use the middle tension wrench for this one. Because it is a Chubb, it's a very good make. I don't expect to pick this too fast. Only because it's got these picks today as well. So, bear with me. Let's see how we get on with this. Geez, yes, look at that. I was going to say I felt a lot of binding on that. That is the 5 lever Chubb. That doesn't take me long to get my picks back out. Let's quickly do that. 5 lever Chubb. Not sure if there's any full skates in there. I've picked this a couple of times, kept going into what I believe is a full skate because I've got solid levers onto there. It's actually quite a fast time. Oh, it's a Chubb. Let us know if you know if this is a battleship, or in fact this 369 number indicates the numbered lock, so it's like a Chubb 369, or is the battleship a 369. Well, there's the key for this one, and great set of picks.